everybody. I just want to show you guys how to varnish a large 3 foot by 4 foot canvas here. This is a big monster here. I just etched finished by hand, and that takes a little bit of time too, but I'm going to show you the process of doing this. And you could use a roller, but then it gets fuzzy and weird and loses its shine, and you want to give that nice protective finish on it just in case it's in a restaurant or installed somewhere where it's going to get food and crap splattered on it. Okay, so what I do is I take the can. I'm going to go ahead and finish this varnish up here. Make sure you shake it real thoroughly, and you start from the top. You got to stretch your arms out, and you start doing that. You should stay nice and even. You want it further, you want it far enough to where it's not leaving a pattern, but you don't want it so far away that it's making ghost dust. It has to actually stick to the surface of the canvas. So it's nice, easy strokes, back and forth. Nice sweeping motion, like you're using a brush, but the extension of your hand is the paintbrush and the can. You got to think the can is like a brush. Nice and even. Nice little sway job. Make sure you go all the way to the end. Don't stop. And usually I wear a mask, but I'm not going to wear a mask right now because I'm trying to talk to you guys. But normally you wear a mask. Wear one tight. Okay, so you do this. Nice, long, horizontal strokes. You can see some dry spots. You kind of hit them like this. And that's what you start doing, like you're brushing. Okay, then you start working this way. Nice and horizontal and vertical. So now switch to vertical. Okay, there's a little hair or a bug or whatever. These little gnats are starting to come out. But don't worry about them. They'll dry into the paint. You can flick them off later. Nice and easy. Don't stop your pound. Nice and easy. And you want to have a nice, well-ventilated area to do this. I have a fan going on, an exhaust paint fan for automotive. Keep that in mind. Might want to get something like that if you have a large studio. I'm actually painting larger pieces, so they're taking up a lot more space. So you will have to paint in a confined area if you don't have the space. Okay, see how I did that? Now this can is losing a little bit of pressure, so you can only get 2 big canvases like this done with 1 can. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pick up the canvas very carefully. I'm going to switch it out like a Guido's pizza. It's like that. Same thing. And I'm going to start on this side. Nice and long. And go stretch all the way to the end. You can hear that kind of fanning thing going on. That's why you gotta shake that can periodically. Keep shaking it. Also, the aerosol gets real cold, so keep warming it up. You won't have that problem in the summertime. It's a little cold here still, so. Okay, so it's looking pretty good. Now I'm going to do this again this way. And kind of look for dry spots. Because paint's thicker and thinner in some areas, so you just got to make sure you hit it just right to where you're covering everything nice and even. So I'm giving you a lesson here on how to really do this right. You don't want any high spots. That's what you don't want. You want, just like you're painting a car or anything else, it's nice and even, smooth. And you got to make sure you kind of have the right lighting as well above you so you can see those dry spots or high spots. Okay, and right here where I did a lot of the trowel work in here, where that Good hard Richter look comes into place. You got to make sure you fill those cavities up with varnish. Okay, and then do sweeps like this, back and forth, nice and light. And a little bit further away so it gives a nice even sheen to everything. So like right here's a nice spot where you kind of can see a little bit of a dry spot, a high spot, and you just kind of nice and even. It takes a while to do this. You want a nice protected coating on it though. Okay, and then you start doing this, just like sweeping it. See how that sweeping motion is? I'm like sweeping it. It's like you're dusting crumbs off something. You control the can. Okay, so I'm kind of liking that. Now I'm going to do the edges. So what you got to do there is you pick up the canvas like this so you can see the edge. And you just kind of saturate it like that. Nice and even. Oh, okay, see what I'm saying? Then you do the Guido turn again. Carmine, give me a pizza. Okay, anyways, you do that. You hear that spitting sound? It means the can is losing a little bit of air. Okay, so again, flip it around. It's very heavy. You manhandle it. A woman handle it. Whatever you got to do to get this thing turned. Nice and thick. You don't have to worry about it running or dripping. You want it nice and shiny. You want to protect your canvas, your edges and everything. Like here's a spot right here I missed, so I'm going to go ahead and grab some paint a little bit and just kind of touch out the edge right there. There we go. Maybe a little bit right there on the edge. See? That's all you got to do. Okay, here we go. Nice and even. Look at that. Okay. I'm going to look for any imperfections. Looks really good. I'm going to lay it down real quick. Take a look at it again, see if it's all dry and even. Looks really good. And if I don't see any high spots or anything weird. Look at that, guys. And that's how you do it. That's how you varnish and manipulate one of these big 3 foot by 4 foot canvases. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for dropping in Foltz Fine Art, guys. And check out my next video as soon as you get a chance. Peace out, babies.